If you could X-ray a code base, see every hidden bottleneck, every flaky pipeline, every buried vulnerability in under 60 seconds. That's Dev-MRI, a clinical-grade developer experience diagnostic tool that scans any GitHub repository and shows you exactly where your team is bleeding time and money. 0:10 to 0:30. Typing repo plus dashboard load. Greater than let me show you, I'll drop in AppWrite/AppWrite, one of the most popular open-source backend platforms on GitHub. No setup, no tokens, just paste and scan. In seconds, DevMRI pulls every workflow, every dependency, every pull request, and runs it through 7 diagnostic modules simultaneously. The DX score lands 61 out of 100. Not terrible, but there's significant friction hiding in this codebase. Let's dig in. 0:30 to 1:05 CI/CD Fix. Start Fix plus PR created greater than right away. The CI/CD X-ray flags a critical bottleneck. The setup stage is blocking parallel execution. DevMRI calculates the exact cost. $5,636 per month in recurring developer time lost. But here's the magic. DevMRI doesn't just tell you what's broken, it tells you how to fix it. One click on Start Fix, and it auto-generates a remediation PR that parallelizes your CI stages. That's +2 DX points just from a single optimization. And just like that, the pull request is created, ready for review, ready to merge. No manual YAML editing. No guessing which stage to split. The surgery is done. 1:05 to 1:20. Email notification plus spam folder. Greater than DevMRI also keeps you in the loop. After every scan, it fires off a detailed clinical report straight to your inbox, complete with scores, recommendations, and friction cost breakdowns. And yes, even if it lands in spam, the data is there. Full diagnostic report, ready to forward to your engineering lead or attach to your sprint retrospective. 1:20 to 2:10, surgery section, fix 1 PR, greater than now. Let's step into the surgery theater. This is where DevMRI becomes more than a scanner. It becomes an active participant in your workflow. Greater than. Here's a flagged issue. Parallelize CI stages to eliminate the setup bottleneck. DevMRI has already diagnosed the problem, generated the fix, and is ready to deploy it as a pull request. Hit Apply Fix, and boom. The PR is live on GitHub with a descriptive title, detailed body explaining the change, and a reference back to the diagnostic that triggered it. This isn't a suggestion. This is a ready-to-merge improvement. 2:10 to 2:30 Friction Heat Map. The friction heat map shows you where developers are struggling the most. Each cell represents a file, colored by the combination of code complexity and how frequently it's changed. Bright spots mean high cognitive load. These are the files where bugs cluster, where onboarding slows down, and where your senior engineers spend most of their unproductive time. DevMRI surfaces these automatically so you can refactor with surgical precision. 2:30 to 2:41. Team details. Contributors. The team overview breaks down contributor distribution across the repo. You can see who's driving the most changes, who's underloaded, and critically, who might be a bus factor risk. If one person owns 30% of the code base and they leave tomorrow, that's a clinical emergency. DevMRI flags these knowledge silos before they become crises. 2:41 to 3:05, deep CI/CD analysis. Going deeper into the CI/CD pipeline, the numbers tell a clear story. A 52% success rate means 1 in 2 builds fails. Average build time sits at 6.3 minutes across 100 runs. The longest build? 12.4 minutes. The build velocity trend is declining, -0.04 minutes per run. This repo is getting slower over time, not faster. Dev-Mri